So I hope things are very clear until this point, and you guys at least know what Webpack does, how it works, and what are the features Webpack provides to us, and all that stuff, right? So let's talk about the overview. So when working with Webpack and micro frontends, there are so many tools and libraries which can streamline the development process. There are commonly used tools and libraries like Module Federation plugin, which is used to connect between the two micro frontends. I already told you. And you can have the single SPA framework implementation using the micro frontend and Webpack actually. What is single SPA? Single page application. It's very straightforward. Like page will not reload and it will work on the same page. Like okay, that's the reason it is very fast. React.js is very fast because of the single page application implementation only. This is a micro frontend library. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I will pronounce Kinkun. Okay. And it has developed by the Ant Group. It provides a complete solution for building scalable and flexible. This is very famous, guys. You can go through it. I cannot include this in this video because this was not supposed to be done for the Kinkun, but you can use that also. I am talking about React micro frontends only, and handling routing, communication between micro frontends, and all that stuff, right? So System.js is again a dynamic module loader used to load modules from different sources. It's like it is also used in the micro frontend development actually, using the dynamic module loading and support different module formats. Loadable components is also another library which simplifies the code splitting and lazy loading in React applications. So I'm telling you all the different tools which are other than the Webpack actually, so that you know, right? So this is one of the bundles, Webpack Bundle Analyzer actually, which is a tool that helps in visualizing and analyzing the size and composition of your Webpack bundles. So it will say it is kind of follow the tree shaking algorithm also, wherein it will eliminate the unnecessary code if it is not being used. So it is very smart. It will optimize your code as well as it will eliminate the unnecessary code from your system. And Lerna is a also tool which is used for managing JavaScript projects with multiple packages. Okay, so Lerna is kind of different approach actually. It can maintain the versioning and publishing the individual micro frontend packages. There are ways to implement Lerna also, and it is very famous by the way. Docker and Kubernetes, I already told you what they can do. Docker and Kubernetes, you can create different pods, containers. You can have your repos over there, and you can have very scalable application using Docker and Kubernetes. Using the CI/CD tools, you can deploy your applications like Jenkins is there, CircleCI is there, GitLab is there, AWS is there, AWS pipeline, AWS code commit, and everything you can implement to process your micro frontends.